Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new Whimsy Stamps Gnome Get Well stamp set. This is such a great stamp set, especially if you like gnomes like I do. I was really excited when I saw they came out with the Get Well set. I don't have a lot of Get Well stamps to begin with, and to get gnomes, well, that just excited me. I'm going to stamp them out for you so you can see how nice they stamp. You get 10 stamps in the set, 3 images along with 5 sentiments, and you get the letter A so you can make a sentence. The images are a nice size. They range anywhere from 1 3/4 inches to 2 1/4 inches wide, and 2 2 1/4 inches tall. So they are a really good size image. I'm going to just stamp it in some black ink so you can see the details when I stamp them. As you can see, they leave a really nice impression. I did make 2 sample cards for you. The first card, I paired it up with the new slimline zigzag die, and I used the image with the teddy bear with the thermometer in it. The next card, I used the gnome on crutches and paired it up with the new zigzag die and the new thatched embossing folder. I hope you enjoyed this release, and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day.